As you can see, this account was restricted. You can see it. And then if you come here, it's the same thing that is here. This is after I requested it on October 29th. This is October 30th. It has been less than 12 hours and it has been reinstated. So let me refresh for you to see. As you can see, advertising access reinstated. Let me also refresh here for you to see. Good. As you can see, the restriction has vanished. So it has been reinstated. If you follow the procedure I'm going to show you, you are going to exactly get the same solution. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to reinstate a restricted Facebook advertising account. As you can see here, the user account of this Facebook has been restricted. So it means that the person cannot run any advert or do anything related to advertising. And so I'm going to appeal. And please stay to the end because I'm going to show you evidence of the account being reinstated. So take time to follow this to the end because if you follow and do what I'm asking you to do, it will work. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account. After you log in, you click on you see Ad Manager. So when you click on the Ad Manager, it will open you to the Ad Manager. Okay. So when you open to the Ad Manager, one of the things you are supposed to do is to go to Facebook Business Support Home. So after you open to the Ad Manager, when you check here, okay, you will be in the Ad Manager, you see Business Support Home. When you click on the Business Support Home, it will bring you to this particular interface, as you can see. So when it brings you here, you will see the type of restriction that you have. It will ask you that you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise, and they will give the information. So if you want to know much about the reason why the account is restricted, you will click on this. You will normally see the reason why you are restricted here. And then you see what you can do. And what you can do, they say confirm your identity and request a review. So I'm going to confirm the identity and request the review. Okay. So before I can do that, first of all, as you can see, you normally have to make sure that your name on the Facebook account is the same as what is on your ID. You can, and the type of ID you can use are national ID, voter ID, passport, and you can also use driving license. So you make sure that your first and last name on the ID card is matching with the first and last name on your Facebook account. If it is not matching, you come to your Facebook home, you click on this, go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, to bring you to this particular place. So when it brings you, you click on personal details or you click on profiles and then you click on the name. When you click on the name, it will open to your name and you can edit it. You can edit the name. Okay. This name was not long ago, so we can't change it. But when you come here, you can change it. Then you also check when you come to the home again, come and then click on the About section, scroll down to Contact and Basic Info, look at your birth date. You will see the date of birth. Make sure it is matching with what is on your ID card. Then look at the gender too as well. Yeah, so make sure all those things are correct. So if that is done and you are okay, then you come back to the account quality or business support form and click on Request Review. So when you click on Request Review, it will ask you to confirm your identity. So you click on Get Started. Then to ask you to make sure that it's you. So it will ask you to confirm that you are confirm your phone number. So you put the phone number, they will send a code to you. You put the code there, then you click continue. It may also ask of your email address. So you put your email there. Let me just check. So you also put the email there and then send the login code to your email. Then they'll give you the code and you put the code there. Then you will now be asked to upload your ID card. You now put your ID card, then cross-check the information again to make sure that everything is exactly as what is on your ID card, as on your Facebook. Then after you click on continue, you'll be asked to continue to request a review. So you write a letter and indicate just like what I've indicated. Then you click on send. Okay, so now let me tell you the letter I wrote. What I wrote is that I said, dear Facebook, my user account has been restricted and this is a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I am told I've violated Facebook advertising policies such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, or participating in fraudulent behavior. And I'm sure this is definitely a mistake because I've gone through all the advertising policies as stipulated in, and I put where the advertising policies are, the link, and said that I'm sure it's a mistake. So they should please go through my account and reinstate it for me, because I don't have any intention to violate Facebook policies. So after I submitted, you see, thank you for completing the process. We'll let you know when we have received your information. It may take up to 48 hours. You click on close, you see here, and this is the reason. You should code this reason. Then the advertising policies, if you click on this, it will take you to the site where you can get where this is the link to the advertising policy, so that you can show them what you are talking about. Yeah. So when you do that, so now you come and check within 48 hours, they will reinstate this account. And then when they reinstate it, when you come and refresh it, you will see that the account is reinstated. If you follow this process, you are going to get your account reinstated. And I've done it for more than 3,000 people. And if you follow the same process, you will get the solution. If you follow it and you don't get a solution, please leave your comment in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp link in the description to contact me, and I'll help you get a solution. Thank you once again for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you also run adverts that are not converting, you need help to really solve your advertising issues or run effective ad campaigns, you can contact us too. And for now, bye-bye, and we see you in the next video.